Hey doll, so we have a review being brought to you by Divatress.com today. They sent me out Main Concepts Red Carpet 6x6 Lace Wig Addlyn, and I have Addlyn in the color F1B30. Now, Addlyn is going to be a 6x6 lace closure wig. She is going to have some claims, as they are highlighting here on the back of the packaging: soft and skin-friendly lace, maximum comfortability, no irritation, breathable fabric. She is going to have an undetectable, easy-to-cut hairline. So I love the fact that they put that on there, because they're really highlighting the fact that the 6x6 closure is just the bomb, okay? And I totally agree with them. I love the 6x6 closure because it's not too much and it's not too little. They give you just the right amount of a closure to where it looks very natural, but yet you have versatility with it as far as styling goes. Her hairline is the bomb, y'all. Wait till y'all see the hairline. This hairline does not need to be plucked or anything, because it looks like they actually pre-plucked it for you. It's not a thick hairline at all. It's very natural in its density, and then it gradually goes into the rest of, the hair gradually goes into the rest of the wig. So she has 3 combs, 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. The wig has some stretch to it, but not a lot, so just keep that in mind. I don't think she is, tight on my head, but she definitely gives very little stretch. So as far as her being big head friendly, I don't really think so. But I'm going to go ahead and throw Miss Addlyn on. As you guys can see, she is gorgeous in this F1B30 color. I love the fact that the 30 is looking like chocolate, and then the contrast of the 1B is not too dark, so it looks like I have just some good chocolate on chocolate hair, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm just going to give you a little 360. Do y'all see how full this wig is? Like, they did not skimp on the hair. They were not stingy at all. I'm going to show you her parting area, but do y'all see that hairline? The hairline is bomb. I have not touched it. I didn't pluck it. I don't have this wig here down. I'm just utilizing the combs, and that's it. So that's how easy this wig wears as far as application. Now, the hair is soft, but it's dry looking, as you guys can see. So I definitely would recommend, if you do pick this unit up, put a little bit of wig oil or wig shine on it. That's just a tiny bit, but other than that, I love the fact that the hair texture is really soft. It's not silky at all. You are going to be able to curl this wig as well. The wig is curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. But yeah, she does shed and tangle, of course, because she is a synthetic wig. But the tangling can be minimized. Like I said, spray some hair. Like I always tell you guys, spray some hairspray on her and go. Or not even hairspray. You can definitely get away with using some foaming wrap lotion and putting it on the wig. That definitely helps as well, especially with these wavy type of units. But I'm just going to show you guys, how I would prefer to style her. Just a simple flip over and go. But do y'all see this wig? This wig had me feeling myself. Now, as I was recording this review, Tony was talking to me, and he was like, you just all into yourself right now with this wig. I was like, yeah, I am. Because I was just like, the waves had me just like, baby, you just gorgeous. I love this hairstyle. I definitely want to get it in the ice purple. I think it's so bomb. Like I said, the wig does have versatility with the 6x6 closure area. Do y'all see the waves in this baby? Like I said, the hairline is bomb. I don't have any problems with the hairline. Like, you don't need to go in and add baby hairs, but of course you can if you wanted to. That's just not my MO. That's not my feng shui. But anyway, I'm going to continue messing with her and styling her. And then y'all see in the latter clip where I just have her, I did decide to take a little bit of the hair in the front of the wig and swoop it down with some gel, and that's it. That's the only customization I did. I didn't apply any powder to the hairline or nothing like that. But anyway, let me know what you think about Miss Addlyn on me. Of course, I will come at you dolls later with another review. Thank you so much for watching. As always, make sure you are subscribed, share this video, and comment down below. Bye, my dolls.
Santa baby, slip a sable under the tree for me. I've been an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa baby, a 54 convertible to light blue. Well, I'll wait up for you, dear Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Think of all the fun I've missed. Think of all the fellas that I haven't kissed. Next year I could be just as good if you check off my Christmas list. Santa baby, I want a yacht, and really that's not a lot. I've been an angel all year, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa honey, there's one more thing I really do need, the deed to a platinum mine, Santa cutie, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Come and trim my Christmas tree with some decorations bought at Tiffany's. I really do believe in you. Let's see if you believe in me. Santa baby, forgot to mention one little thing, a ring. And I don't mean on the phone, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Hurry down the chimney tonight. So hurry down the chimney tonight.
Hi guys, so I hope you enjoyed that cover of Santa Baby. Over the years, you guys have been requesting a lot of Christmas songs, so I thought that I would make a little homemade EP for the Christmas season that you guys can enjoy with your family or whoever. That is now available for purchase on iTunes. The links will be down below. As always, I want to thank you guys for your support and your love, and I'll be seeing you guys really, really soon.
I don't want a Christmas I'll forget. Don't want it to be just me. I don't need another pretty gift. I don't even need